Luxury is one thing, power is another. But when Mansory takes over, things get completely insane. These aren't your ordinary SUVs. We're talking about extreme customization, insane horsepower, and jaw-dropping designs. Today, we're counting down the top 8 Mansory Customized Luxury SUVs of 2026. Don't blink, number 1 will shock you like nothing else. Welcome back to Module Choice Tips, the home of elite automotive content. I'm Basit Ali, and today we're diving into the most exclusive, most powerful Mansory SUVs ready for 2026. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which SUV you think will dominate the roads this year. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Mansory is the iconic German tuning house that takes ordinary luxury SUVs and transforms them into absolute beasts. With bespoke body kits, carbon fiber accents, extreme performance upgrades, and ultra-luxe interiors, every Mansory SUV is a perfect blend of style, power, and exclusivity. Whether it's AMG, Lamborghini, or Ferrari, Mansory pushes every vehicle to the next level, making it truly one of a kind. Starting our countdown, number 8, the Mansory Cadillac Escalade, an American giant upgraded to the extreme with a bold, wide body kit, massive forged wheels, and custom interior upgrades that scream luxury. Under the hood, it packs enhanced horsepower and torque, making it as powerful as it is luxurious. Number 7 is the Mansory Audi RSQ8, a German performance SUV reimagined with a wide body kit, carbon fiber accents, and a fully customized interior. The engine is tuned for extra horsepower and torque, making this SUV not just luxurious, but insanely fast, combining German engineering and Mansory craftsmanship perfectly. Next, number 6, the Venatus SE, based on the hybrid Lamborghini Urus SE, a super SUV that redefines performance. With 1,095 plus horsepower and 1,250 Newton-meters of torque, it sprints from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just approximately 2.8 seconds. Mansory adds a forged carbon fiber body, aerodynamic enhancements, and a fully bespoke interior, making it as luxurious as it is insane on the road. Number 5, the Mansory GLS 63P 850, a 2026 Mercedes SUV that commands attention everywhere it goes. With 850 horsepower, a striking wide body kit, carbon fiber accents, and luxury interior upgrades, it blends raw power and elegance seamlessly, a true SUV powerhouse for 2026. Number 4, the Ferrari Purosangue Mansory Pugnator, a Ferrari SUV transformed into a hyper-aggressive masterpiece. Mansory added extra power, aerodynamic enhancements, and bespoke design, giving a thrilling driving experience while maintaining Ferrari's legendary V12 heritage. Number 3, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Customized by Mansory, the ultimate in ultra-luxury SUVs, with bespoke touches including carbon fiber enhancements, premium leather interiors, and exclusive detailing. A favorite among collectors and luxury SUV enthusiasts, every detail screams refined elegance and exclusivity. Number 2, the Mansory Equester, based on Ferrari's V12 SUV concept, pure visual insanity. With a wild carbon fiber makeover, aggressive wide body kit, and bespoke interior detailing, it combines supercar performance with SUV practicality, commanding attention from every angle. And finally, number 1, the Venatus SE, the hybrid Lamborghini Urus SE, a super SUV with 1,095 plus horsepower, 1,250 Newton-meters of torque, sprinting 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 2.8 seconds. Forged carbon body, aerodynamic enhancements, fully bespoke interior. A true collector's dream and the ultimate Mansory SUV for 2026. Let's do a quick comparison of all 8 Mansory SUVs. Power, luxury, exclusivity, and performance. Which SUV would you park in your garage if you could? Comment below and let us know. Smash that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest luxury car breakdowns. Share this video with a friend who loves powerful SUVs. Thanks for watching Module Choice Tips. Catch you in the next video where we explore the top upcoming hypercars of 2026.